So today is our last packing video before you see the videos from our actual trip, and we're doing a little bit different for this packing. So this is the carry-on size that Matt actually carried on when we went on our Disney Dream Cruise, and I love it because it rolls and it also has handles on it. It's part of the Samantha Brown collection that we were given, and so were these three toiletry bags. Sorry. So what we did was that we went ahead and divided up. We usually take one really big toiletry bag, but it's not always convenient. So what I did was I divided up into 3 different bags depending on needs. And let me show you. So this first part here, this has everybody's toothbrushes in a Ziploc, and then a bottle of mouthwash and 1 tube of toothpaste. I have another one I need to put in here. I'm so glad I'm filming this because I need to put another one in here. And then this pocket has Q-tips and dental floss for everyone. So that's the top part. This middle part, through the mesh part, there's 3 bottles individually labeled for Matt's body wash, or shampoo, body wash, and then he also has a body scrub. And then I packed 1 razor for me. And then this part has... They gave us a bunch of H2O bottles to take home with us after we checked out of Saratoga Springs. The ones that we didn't finish off, they told us they wanted us to just take them. So we did, and so those are those. And then we also got a bottle of, I'm going to try this Clean and Clear Morning Burst Facial Scrub. If I don't like it, I'm just going to carry my big bottles with me when we travel. And then because, you know, 4 girls and medium length hair, I don't think we really have long hair, I just call it medium length. I went ahead and packed extra shampoo and conditioner, and then another thing of body wash as well. So all of that fit into the first bag, and that is what I'm calling our shower bag and our wet needs bathroom bag. That's what it was, because it also has our toothpaste in it. This one has the H2O lotions that they gave us on our trip, and then it has 2 tubes of chapstick, 1 Carmex, and a liquid glass cleaner in here as well. And yep, this little purple behind here is our cleaning cloth for it. So in here I have Matt's deodorant, my deodorant, and some body powder, and a lint brush for when we're going to church and our dressier occasions for this trip. Yeah, I thought this bag would just be perfect for, like, you know, using for those, because it doesn't hold as many liquids, and you can put, and it held our deodorant in there just fine. And then this bag has this handle on it, and you can hear it jingling already. Okay, this bag has hair ribbons. It has the mini hair ties. Let me find it. It also has like our scrunchy things for making messy buns and Cinderella buns. Our frozen travel hairbrush. Our comb with a pick on the end of it so we can do even parts. And I know it's in here. There it is. And then our clip, our binder clip with multiple kinds of hair ties on here. And then the jingle you're hearing is, we went to Dollar Tree before our Disney cruise, and this had Q-tips in it, but we also had bought another one that was like a Q-tip brand Q-tip holder. So now we're using it. It has Kylo Ren on it, which is why we bought it for the cruise, because we were like, you know what, why not? But now it's perfect for holding our bobby pins when we're doing buns. So that fits right down in there. And then, and I think on the cruise I also used this for hair ties, which is what inspired me to do it for this trip, because it's so much easier just have one bag for hair ribbons and hair things, and that way I can just pack a multiple kinds of hair ribbons and hair ties for different color outfits and occasions. So it's really hard to get these in here because it's plastic with the crocodile skin-ish feeling leather. So I'm going to pause this real quick, and then I'm going to put these in here, and then I will show you what it looks like when they're all in here. So here's all 3 bags in here. This is the wet one, the dry one, and then the hair ties. And then I ran out of room in the kids' suitcase for Madeline's new shoes that she got at, we were going to go to Kohl's, but we just never had time while Kohl's was open. So we went to Walmart and just grabbed some Dance Skin memory foam shoes. I'm hoping they at least last for this one trip, and maybe a couple more. And then when we get back, we can look into getting her some other shoes if need be. But I'm also looking for something that's easier, and these just look really nice. My mother-in-law really likes them, so I was going to try them. And then this also allows for like pockets for last minute packing our chargers, tablets. Don't know if I'll take the kids' iPad yet, because I only have one for the kids, and I really want to get the other two each an iPad before I start bringing one iPad on trips. And we try to do not a lot of electronics while we're traveling, but there's just sometimes that they just need a break from coloring and audiobooks, and they just need to be in their own little bubble for a while. And there's also this front pocket as well that I think, yep. So on the cruise, this is the pocket. It still has tags on it. This is the pocket that I put our magnets in. So on the cruise, I did not put anything electronic in here. And I fit all of our door magnets in here. I think I showed the only time I ever showed the door magnets was on the video where we revealed the staterooms we were staying in. And then this also makes a cute little last minute pocket as well. And then there's also a zipper on the back that you can, I think it used to, oh, I don't know. No, this one doesn't have a strap on it, but it also just has a back pocket. And then normally I also use these side pockets, but I don't really need to right now. But if I need to, I have plenty of room for our last minute things. So that is it for our packing. Let's carry it over here, not step on the vacuum cord. And so yeah, whoa, that blurred. And then I'm also spot treating some spots on our floor before we head out, because we're getting a house sitter while we're gone. So that is it. That is all of our suitcases. There's, let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 other videos before this one. So, but that is it for our packing. Thanks for watching. And starting on tomorrow's video, or the next day after this one's video, will be our trips to Michigan. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.